Tell them why you mad, son. Thursdays. Tell you why I'm mad today. I'm mad today at all these, and it ain't all y'all. It's a lot though. These power to the people's conspiracy ass niggas. You know, some of y'all get on my nerves. Everything is not racially motivated. Everything you come across, everything you deal with, it ain't somebody out to get you because you black. Now the funny thing about that is, a lot of these people, a lot of these guys like to refer to themselves as conscious or awoke or awoken or whatever, so to speak. And now you free. Your mind is free. The sad thing about that is now your mind is free, but you become a slave to your own ego. You become a slave to your own mentality. So if that's the case, you right back in the boat where the hell you started at. If that's the case, that don't make sense to me. You know, you have a problem with the whole concept of white privilege, and you should if you are a black person. But you know, you have a problem with this white guy over here hating your freaking guts simply because you don't look the same as he do. Simply because the color of your skin, he hates your freaking guts. He don't like you. You are inferior to him because you black. He's white. But then you turn around and do the same thing to your own black brother because he don't think the same way you do, and he don't believe the same way you do. You will talk junk about him, you'll ridicule him, you'll antagonize him, you'll patronize him, and just downright talk shit about him because he don't think or believe the same way you do. Once again, you right back in the boat with them when you started at. That doesn't make sense to me. So for you power to the people ass niggas, y'all need to stop. Walking downtown Greensboro one time with my daughter. Had a festival or something downtown. And you know, she wanted some pizza. Okay, cool. We're going to walk down the street, go get some pizza from the pizza restaurant. There are a group of black Hebrew Israelites that preach from time to time downtown Greensboro. Cool, no problem. So I'm walking down the sidewalk and I walk by him. And the guy stopped me. Hey, brother, can I talk to you for a second? I'm like, nah, brother, I'm good, man. I'm just spending some time with my daughter. We about to get something to eat. He was like, all right, cool. Then I walk off and I hear him mumble under his breath. Sucker ass nigga. See, that's what I'm saying. For that brother, if you watching this video, if you see this video and you remember that night, my daughter saved your ass. Because if you'd have caught me on any other night without my daughter, you'd have had a problem. But that's the type of stuff I'm talking about. You can't insult. You can't downright talk junk about somebody, ridicule somebody, just pretty much insult somebody's intelligence because they don't believe or think the same way you do. You power to the people, conspiracy ass niggas. Yo, y'all need to stop. Some of y'all need to stop. For real. Tell them why you mad, son.